It has been 168 days since Tom was taken from us. We've had our birthdays without him and our holidays without him, and all of the little moments that make life what it is all about, without him here to bring what only he could have to our lives. For 168 days, we've all wondered if this day would come. We have hoped and prayed. We've been in the turmoil of the unknown, and today officially we have some of those answers, and some of our fear can be calmed. While we are so pleased and grateful that this day has finally come, we know that it does not bring back Tom, and it does not give us back the last 24 weeks without him, or what our future with him ought to have been. It is, however, a desperately needed first step toward justice, true justice. Not the kind one person decides to take into his own hands. To draw on something Tom once said, no one gets to be the judge, jury, and executioner. That's not how this country works. Tom didn't just believe that, he lived that. When we get to a place where someone, regardless of their age, gender, race, or position of power, decides that principle does not apply to them, that is when we all lose out on justice. And I hope we can now begin to see the kind of justice Tom believed in, that he worked for, and that he would have put everything into for someone that he loved. For that reason, we are especially grateful for the work done by all of those who got us to this point today. To the KCPD for their countless hours of tracking leads and seeking evidence and information, thank you. To the prosecutor's office for bringing together a case that is able to move forward, thank you. And a special thanks to the victim advocacy team for the support they've provided and helped us navigate these waters. To all of those who came forward with information, who cooperated with the investigation, even when it might have been risky to do so, thank you. Thank you for choosing to do the right thing and not just the easy or safe thing. To our community of friends, our colleagues, our neighbors, our school, you have been so gracious in your understanding and in your support. Thank you. I know the community at large has had special interest in this case, and I can understand why it is especially intriguing. I also ask that people remember that this is our real life. We are grieving, and we are still desperately trying to find our way forward. And for this reason, I again ask for the privacy of our families, our neighbors, our community to be respected, most especially for the protection and peace of mind of the hearts of the two little boys who are already facing more than they should. Thank you for continuing to keep our family in your thoughts and in your prayers. Please also keep every family affected by gun violence in your hearts and minds. There are far too many of us, and we all need your love, and we all need justice. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.